Yes, here children, in this video we will learn subtraction of rupees and paise. Okay, this subtraction and addition are same as the subtraction and addition of number, but here the difference is only one, that we write on the paise column and the rupees column separately, and we always mention the paise, we always write on the paise below the paise and rupees below the rupees. Okay, so as usual, subtraction also as the addition subtraction also subtraction में भी हम पहले पैसे को subtract करेंगे. So here we have to subtract this 5 from 5. So when we subtract 5 from 5, here we will get 0. Okay, and here we have to subtract 1 from 2. When we take away 1 from 2, we will get 1. So here we left 10 paise. Now after subtracting paise, we will subtract the rupees. So as usual, we will start subtraction from the ones place digit, which is 3. We have to subtract this 9 from 3. So could we take away 9 from 3? No, we can't, unless this 3 will take a borrow from its next digit, which is placed left to it. So this 3 will take borrow from 2. So what will happen? 2 जैसे ही borrow देगा, it will become 1 less. That means 2 से 1 कम क्या हो जाएगा? 1. And this 3 will become 13. 3 क्या हो जाएगा? 13. Because this 1 when come to here, it will change into 10 ones. ये 1 10 है, इधर आके 10 ones, and 10 plus 3 it becomes 13. Okay, now we will subtract, we will take away this 9 from 13. Then we will get here 4. And again here we have to subtract this 7 from 1. Again children, we can't subtract 7 is a bigger number from a smaller number. So again this one will take borrow from its digit, from the next digit which is placed left to it. तो 4 से borrow जैसे ही लेगा, it will become 1 less. 4 से 1 कम, it will become 3. तो ये 1 कम और यहाँ 1 से क्या हो जाएगा? 11. Okay, this will become 11 from 1. Now we can subtract this 7 from 11, and we will get here again 4. Okay. Now here children, we have to subtract 2 from 3. So when we subtract 2 from 3, we will get 1. And this 144 is rupees, is the amount which is in rupees. So here we will put the symbol for rupees, and in between rupees and paise we write down and. So after subtracting 279 rupees and 15 paise from 423 rupees and 25 paise, we will get 144 rupees and 10 paise. Let us solve one more subtraction. Okay. So again children, we will start subtracting the number from paise column first. So here we have to subtract 7 from 5. Again, we can't subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. So we can't subtract 7 from 5. So this 5 will take borrow. Okay children. So this 5 will take, as it take borrow, this 2 become 1 less. 1 less than 2. So 2 से 1 कम, it will become 1. And this 5 will change into 15. कैसे होगा? 5 ऑलरेडी इसके पास था और इसने 110 लिया, that will change into the 10 ones. So it will become 15 as usual children. Now we will subtract this 7 from 5. When we subtract 7 from 5, we will get 8. And here we have to subtract 1 from 1. So when we subtract the same number from the same number, then it will be 0. So 8 paise, we will read it as 8. Okay, because when the 0 is placed before any number, it means nothing. So it is only 8 paise. Now after subtracting the paise, we will come to subtract here to rupees. So again children, we have to subtract 9 from 8, which is again not possible. So this 8 will take borrow. जैसे ही borrow लेगा, this 7 will become 1 less, that means 6 हो जाएगा, and this 8 will become 18. Okay, now we will subtract 9 from 18. So here after subtracting 9 from 18, we will get 9, and 4 from 6 we will get 2, and we will write down the symbol for rupees because this is the amount in rupees, and in between them we will write down and this is 29 rupees and 8 paise. So same you will subtract all the sums given in your maths book in the page number 59 and 60.